Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can easily withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to Wallet and Overview, and let's say that I'm going to have Fiat and Spot. Click on it, and you're gonna have everything here. Let's say I have Ethereum. What can you do? You just simply click here, Withdraw, and now so we have option to withdraw Ethereum to some address, or you can click here on Fiat, or I don't know how to say it. And when you're gonna withdraw it, you see the currency, and you simply add bank transfer, SEPA, and you just add here, I don't know, a month. And right now I have 0 because I bought everything. I hope that Bitcoin will go to 100k. And you just add here what amount you want to add, and then you just press continue and you just withdraw it. But you want to have your bank account directly connected to your Binance account, and this is pretty much how you do it. Or you can do so if you didn't buy on Binance and you want to send it, what you can do is just simply send the Bitcoin as a withdraw it, and you just add here the address of, let's say, Coinbase. So let's say that you bought it on Coinbase and you want to withdraw it from Coinbase. What you can do is just receive, and I just add here the address, and I'm good to go, right? So this is the Bitcoin for receive, and I can withdraw crypto. And oh, it's bad copied. But this is how we can do it. It's like pretty simple and pretty easy. You just, like, if you want to withdraw Ethereum, again, I would come here to Ethereum, and I can withdraw, right? Ethereum. I recommend when you're gonna use this way, you want to actually withdraw only like 5%, not like everything, to test it out. But if you want to withdraw it directly to your bank account, you do it this way. You choose the currency in fiat, bank transfer, or bank card, and add a new card or bank transfer, and then you just like transfer it through SEPA. So thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.